I'm going to show you how to do updates in Windows 8 now. If you click on the Start menu or press the Windows key and type in Update Settings, and then if you go on Windows Update Settings and click on Choose How Updates Get Installed, and then you can make your choice here as to whether or not you want them to be automatic. I recommend that they are automatically installed and downloaded. You can choose just to download the updates and then you decide whether you want to install them. That's not necessarily the best thing to do, but if you want to check them before you install them. And I would also check this as well, give me updates for Microsoft products. That will update Internet Explorer, Office, Excel, Word, which is important to do. If you want to view the details of the patches, click on View Update History, and then you can see here the KB number, which is a unique identifier for that update, which you can search for. If you want to check for updates, you just simply click on Check Now, and then it will start checking.